Geobyte.
Welcome to the Geobyte. Dear friends and students, shortcuts video 3. Already 2 shortcuts completed. Next video 3. In that video, what is the content? What is the requirement? Observe. X plus 1 by x, x minus 1 by x, x square plus 1 by x square, x cube plus 1 by x cube, x cube minus 1 by x cube. How to calculate? Friends, these 6 points very important for all competitive examination like RRB, SSC, any competitive examination, written test in the childhood time, Navodaya entrance examinations. Okay, for any competitive, for ICET, CAT, MAT, these 6 very important to guarantee question. So what is the given question? What is the requirement? How to calculate? Observe. X is equal to 2 plus root 3 is a surd. Given. Then find these 4 questions. First of all, original method. X is given already. We need 1 by x. So 1 by x. So 1 by 2 plus root 3. Here denominator rationalize. I wanted to rationalize the denominator. So 2 plus root 3, middle plus symbol. You can change the symbol. And the denominator and numerator also same number. 2 minus root 3. So 2 minus root 3. A plus b into a minus b. So 4 minus 3. So what is the answer? 2 minus root 3. So we are getting x value, after that x plus 1 by x value. So x plus 1 by x is equal to 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3. Cancel, root 3 cancel. Then answer is 4. So this is original method procedure. Suppose the same question is repeated in competitive examination, these steps time taken. Then what is the shortcut? How to calculate? Okay, observe. Here x is equal to 2. This is assumed as a first term. This one completely you can assume as second term. Condition. First term square difference, minus. Second term square difference should be 1. 99.99% it difference should be 1 only in examinations. Okay. Then immediate answer x plus 1 by x. They will ask the x plus 1 by x. Then immediately double of first term. Double of first term. So then what is the answer? 2 into this 2. Then answer 4 completed. Okay. X minus 1 by x. X minus 1 by x. Double of second term. Double of second term with sign. Suppose the result is a positive value, then you can put plus value. Here middle member it is a minus, then you take minus only. Okay. So 2 into this complete root 3 is a positive value. So then put here root 3. 2 root 3 is the answer. 2 root 3 is the answer. Okay. Then x square plus 1 by x square. How to calculate? X square plus 1 by x square meaning x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. You know already. So x plus 1 by x whole square. What is the formula? A square plus b square 2ab. So x square plus b square 1 by x square 2ab. 2 into x into 1 by x. X cancel. You want x square plus 1 by x square. So x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 answer. So x plus 1 by x, what is the value? 4. So 4 square minus 2. So answer 14. X square minus 1 by x square. So x plus 1 by x into x minus 1 by x. 4 into 2 root 3. So answer 8 root 3. Okay friends. Okay, these 6 points are very important too. At least one time you are observe the concept. In future, any competitive examination guarantee 1 mark. Okay, one more example. First you check the condition. Is it right or wrong? First term 7 square minus second one 4 into root 3 whole square 49 minus 4 square 16 root 3 18. So 49 minus 48. So answer 1. So satisfied. Then logic double of the first one. 2 into 7. 14 answer completed. So 2 into what is the second term with the sign? It is minus completely. Minus 4 root 3. That is minus 8 root 3 is the answer. X square plus 1 by x square. So what is the answer? Here x plus 1 by x. We are getting 14. So 14 square minus 2 is the answer. X square minus 1 by x square. So x plus 1 by x into x minus 1 by x. X plus 1 by x 14. Here minus 8 into root 3. Okay friends. Next. Confirmation. You want x cube plus 1 by x cube. X cube minus 1 by x cube. Then what we do? Okay. A cube plus b cube. Then a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. 3ab into a plus b. A cube minus b cube. So a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. We know the formulas. So here present to already we know x plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3 into x plus 1 by x. ab means x into 1 by x cancel. So x minus 1 by x whole cube plus 3 into x minus 1 by x. These 6 points are friends very important in our competitive examination. Okay. Now finally confirmation is small example. If x is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6. Find x plus 1 by x. So condition satisfied, you can check. X minus 1 by x. X square plus 1 by x square. X square minus 1 by x square. X cube plus 1 by x cube. X cube minus 1 by x cube. Okay. So condition satisfied. 2 into first one. What is the first two here? 5. Then answer 10. 2 into which sign? It is a positive value. 2 into second term. 2 root 6. So answer 4 root 6. So here x plus 1 by x already we know. So then answer 10 square minus 2. Answer 98. Okay, a square minus b square. X plus 1 by x into x minus 1 by x. So what is the answer then? What is the answer? 10 into 4 root 6. 40 root 6. Okay, here x cube plus 1 by x cube. X plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3 into x plus 1 by x. So 10 cube minus 3 into 10. Okay, 970. X minus 1 by x whole cube plus 3 into x minus 1 by x. So 4 root 6 whole cube plus 3 into 4 root 6. This is the answer. Okay friends, these 6 points are very important. Okay, thank you. All the best.